Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session, children. Hope you are preparing for the formative assessment too, children. I am going to share with you about the model paper of a formative assessment too, children. Model paper. Here you have the model paper here. Okay. So this model paper is for 20 marks, children. Actually, the examination is going to be conducted for 20 marks. And first bit consists of the essay answers, children. Okay, 2 questions will be there. Each consists of 4 marks. So completely it is 8 marks and no choice, children. No choice will be given. Okay, 2 questions you need to attempt. 2 questions are given and these are essay type. Each carries of 4 marks and completely 8 marks. And second bit consists of again 2 questions, children, same, but these are short answers. So 2 marks each carries of and completely it is 4. And here also no choice will be given. Third bit, children, it's map pointing. Children, map pointing is very important, children. Here you are not given any choice again. You need to draw the map and point out. Either the outline map of Telangana will be asked or the outline map of India will be asked. Either of these two. So please be prepared with the outline map of India and outline map of Telangana. And map pointing. Pointing is also very important, children. Even if you draw and leave the pointing, okay, you are not going to get the marks. So here 4 marks, 2 for drawing and 2 for the map pointing will be given. And last bit, fourth bit will be the fill in the blanks, children. For fill in the blanks, 4 filling the blanks will be there. Each one carries of 1 mark and completely 4. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20 marks, children. This is okay. Be prepared with the textbook, children. Okay, from the middle of the textbook, the fill in the blanks were asked. So be prepared with the textbook. Thoroughly be prepared with the textbook. I hope I am quite clear with the model paper. I am quite clear with the model paper. And I also have given you some question and answers in our session of 2nd and 3rd of this month. So have you prepared the notes of that? I don't know, but I am giving you few more question and answers, children. Okay, today's question is, what are the values incorporated in the Indian Constitution? It is one of the most important question, children. What are the values incorporated in Indian Constitution? So what are the values actually the Constitution consists of? You know it very well. Constitution, the preamble of Indian Constitution tells about many important ideals. Already about them we have read elaboratively also in our previous classes during the Indian Constitution. And I am going to tell some of the values which are incorporated here. The first one is democratic. Democratic. Then how will you write it down? Democratic mean a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, please write down this answer in the notes. Okay, equal rights and elect their representatives and accountability, okay, to their people who elected them. Democratic. Second important one is secular. What is the meaning of secular? Secular mean the government will not run on the basis of religion. The government will not run on the basis of religion. People have freedom to follow any religion. This is called as secular. The third one is republic. The head of the state is elected by its people but not hereditarily. That means after the father, the son will not come to the power. It is not hereditary. Here the head of the government will be elected by the people. That is also one of the most important value which has been imbibed into the Indian Constitution. Next one is socialistic. Means what? Socialistic means the government strives to reduce gap between haves and have-nots. These are few of the values which are incorporated in the Indian Constitution. Apart from that, there is liberty, there is equality, there is fraternity, justice, sovereign. These all are the values which are incorporated in the Indian Constitution. You can write down about all these things and elaborate them. So this becomes the answer. I hope you have written this one. Okay, have you written? So I will come back with a new answer in our next class, children. Till then, take care. Thank you, children.